Tejal from Sunmol Software, and today I'm going to explain you how to add clock in out reasons. So let's start. Just click on HR module, then click on clock in out reason, then click on these four dots and open add reasons. Add the description. I'm just adding clock in. Add code regular time and just save it. Your clock in out reason will be saved, and you can easily view edit and delete that entry through these actions, and you can quick search through these filters and refresh using this refresh button, and that entry will be shown over home page in the time log. If you are getting check-in, then in that reasons option your reason added will be shown. That's it. Thank you. If you got any queries in these steps, then contact us at the sunmolsoftware.com.